Statistics have shown that 95% of those who ride motorcycles are doing this because they want to stay away from crime. This is an obvious reason why commuters see motorcycle as being relief to their transportation problem. During a press conference on Monday in Abuja, the Amalgamated Commercial Tricycle and Motorcycle Owners, Repairs and Riders Association of Nigeria has appealed to the federal government to lift ban on motorcycle. Speaking to the pressmen, the national president of ACOMORAN, Alhaji Prince Adeboye, speaks on the relevance of motorcycle and its aid in security, as well as employment to youths.
Without a doubt, the use of motorcycle has enhanced mobility for the middle and income earners, which by extension has contributed to an increase in production through an increase in man-hours. We need to understand that the people in rural and remote areas will be greatly impacted negatively by this proposed ban. These are the people who are only means of transportation are motorcycles. Imagine a scenario where is a medical emergency and the only means of transportation has been banned.
He further appeals to the government to think through in the proposed ban action as it might cause severe hardship.
A responsible, responsive and law-abiding association that strongly believe in the security of lives and properties, we will support the government in bringing to book anyone or group of individuals that intend to jeopardize the essence of our existence, and likewise appealing to the government to carefully think through in the proposed action, which will forestall and subject severe hardship and make life unbearable for direct or indirectly over 60 million Nigeria. We therefore appeal passionately that the government should take a holistic view of the problem and call for a parley with all the stakeholders to provide solution.
Recall that the Federal Capital Territory Administration (FCTA) says commercial motorcycle operators, locally known as Okada riders, now need to obtain a license to operate within its city and its suburbs. Reporting from the nation's capital, Janet, Eke, TNTV Network.